Welcome to JS's Trainings, where we delve into a comprehensive framework for analyzing companies from an investor's perspective using a structured framework. This deep dive analysis will equip you with the tools to make informed investment decisions. This presentation is designed for educational purposes, illustrating investment analysis techniques. It's crucial to understand that this is not financial advice or a stock recommendation. Always conduct your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. Our focus is on analyzing stocks from a long-term investment perspective. We'll explore a practical framework that emphasizes understanding businesses deeply, allowing time and compounding to work, rather than reacting to short-term price movements. Many investors lose money due to poor analysis and short-term thinking. Emotions often override discipline, leading to constant activity and poor analysis, which can destroy long-term returns. Investors focus on the durability and cash generation of businesses, while traders often chase price action and momentum. Time works against traders but strongly favors investors who understand the underlying business. Stocks represent ownership in real businesses with customers, employees, and cash flows. Treating stocks as lottery tickets leads to speculation instead of rational investing, which is essential for long-term success. This presentation is strictly educational, demonstrating analytical thinking and process, not stock selection. It should not be construed as investment or trading advice. True investing requires time. A minimum horizon of 3 years allows fundamentals to reflect in prices, while 5 to 10 years allows compounding to deliver results. Patience is key to successful investing. Before diving into numbers, it's vital to understand how a company makes money. This includes knowing its customers, products, pricing, and the reason for its existence. A clear understanding of these elements is foundational. If a business cannot be explained simply, it is likely not well understood. Complexity often hides risk and increases the probability of mistakes. Simplicity in understanding is crucial for making sound investment decisions. Every company operates within an industry that shapes its growth, profitability, and risk. Understanding industry cycles, regulation, and structure is essential for assessing a company's potential and challenges. Sustainable competitive advantages such as brand, scale, or cost leadership protect profits and allow businesses to survive competitive pressure. Assessing these factors is key to understanding a company's market position. The quality of management is a critical determinant of long-term outcomes. Good management allocates capital wisely and navigates cycles without destroying shareholder value, ensuring sustainable growth. Strong managers exhibit discipline, integrity, clear communication, and long-term vision. These traits are more important than aggressive growth promises and are essential for building lasting value. Frequent strategy changes, excuses for poor performance, or reckless expansion are warning signs investors should not ignore. Stability and consistency are vital for long-term success. Durable revenue that repeats year after year is far more valuable than rapid but unstable growth driven by discounts or promotions. Consistent revenue streams are a hallmark of a strong business model. Customer loyalty and pricing power allow companies to maintain margins even during inflation or economic slowdowns. These factors are crucial for sustaining profitability and growth. Revenue creates attention, but profits create value. Sustainable profitability confirms that a business model truly works. Retail investors buy stocks for performance now or in the foreseeable future, not for speculative stories. Stable or improving margins indicate operational discipline and competitive strength. Volatile margins suggest weak positioning, making it essential to track these metrics closely. Strong balance sheets provide resilience during downturns and flexibility to invest when opportunities arise. They are a crucial component of a company's ability to weather economic challenges. High debt, frequent equity dilution, or aggressive accounting practices significantly increase investment risk. It's crucial to keep an eye on these factors to safeguard your investments. Cash flow is the key to understanding the reality behind reported profits. Companies that generate real cash are more reliable investments, offering a clearer picture of their financial health. A consistent operating cash flow indicates a sustainable and healthy business capable of funding its own growth. This stability is essential for long-term success. Even the best business can be a poor investment if bought at the wrong price. Valuation is a critical factor that should never be overlooked in investment decisions. To avoid overpaying, price must be assessed relative to growth prospects, peer valuations, and historical norms. This comparison ensures a balanced investment approach. A margin of safety protects investors from analytical errors and unforeseen events, improving long-term outcomes. It's a crucial buffer in investment strategy. Daily price movements, media commentary, and social media opinions create noise. Ignoring them is a competitive advantage, allowing for clearer investment decisions. A focused portfolio built on high-conviction ideas outperforms excessive diversification driven by fear. Concentration on strong beliefs leads to better results. Investors should monitor business fundamentals, competitive position, and management behavior, not daily prices. This focus ensures a deeper understanding of the investment. Exit decisions should be driven by fundamental deterioration or extreme overvaluation, not short-term price falls. This approach prevents rash decisions based on market volatility. Overtrading, excitement, and constant action destroy long-term returns. Patience is essential for maintaining a steady and profitable investment strategy. Successful investing is quiet, disciplined, and often boring. Consistency and patience create wealth, proving that the best strategies are often the simplest.